Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has filed a petition at the Milimani High Court seeking to stop the Senate from processing his impeachment motion on Wednesday and Thursday next week. Gachagua argues that the National Assembly launched a, quote, vicarious assault against him rather than a lawful examination of his conduct as a public servant. As Emmanuel Toh now reports, it is the 24th petition related to the Deputy President's impeachment since his woes began.
In yet another attempt to stop what seems to be inevitable, besieged Deputy President Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua is yet again in the corridors of justice, seeking to stop the Parliament's trial chamber from considering his ouster motion next week. In an application filed under Certificate of Urgency, Gachagua lists at least 10 grounds he believes were used to aid a shambolic, unfair and a vicarious assault on him. Gachagua, through his lead counsel Paul Muite, argues that the charges supported by 282 MPs in the National Assembly were unsupported allegations, hearsay and outright lies, and that the National Assembly did not do meaningful public participation before the tabling of his impeachment, and that members debated and voted on the motion on grounds which were not set out in the motion. The DP also argues that MPs were coerced, intimidated and subjected to undue pressure to pass the motion, adding that the charges should have been about the Constitution and not about allegations of him undermining the president. The DP concludes by stating that the grounds on gross misconduct were trivialized and fired back at the Speaker of the National Assembly, Moses Wetangula, and his deputy Uasin Gishu woman representative Gladys Boss for being players in a game they were refereeing.
He has no respect for women whatsoever. He has made a scathing public attacks on a woman High Court judge.
There is no other reason that has brought us here, Honorable Speaker. It is to protect the family that is being disinherited of their property under coercion, blackmail and threats.
It is on these grounds that Gachagua seeks to have Justice Chacha Mwita of the Milimani High Court dispense justice by giving orders prohibiting the Senate from proceeding with his impeachment hearing scheduled for next week. The matter is expected in court on Monday, 14th October. This will be Gachagua's 24th attempt, either directly or through proxies, in court to stop his removal from office, with other efforts proving futile. This as the Chief Justice Martha Koome is expected to empanel a 3-judge bench to hear 5 cases challenging the impeachment of the DP. The latest developments come as senators get ready for a busy week ahead, with the DP set to face the trial chamber and defend himself on Thursday.
Wale National Assembly ambao wanataka kubandua naibu wa rais, tutawasikiza. Naibu wa rais anapojitetea, tutamsikiza. Sisi kama bunge la Senate, kama taifa, mtuweke kwa maombi ndio tuweze kukata haki mbele ya binadamu na mbele ya Mwenyezi Mungu.
Emmanuel Toh, Citizen TV, Nairobi.